Kristin Joyner, Living Down South Realty, and we're going to talk about stinky houses. How can you put your house on the market and make it smell refresh, inviting for the potential buyer? So I want you to remember that the sense of smell has everything to do with feeling nurtured, comforted, secure. So we want to have a nice, fresh smelling home that is not going to be overstimulating with the smell. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to address any mildew or moisture. We're going to get a professional over. We're going to make sure that that moisture reading is going to be not having any kind of growth happening in the crawl space in the basement. No water, no standing water. We're going to clean out our air filters, or we're going to change out our air filters. And again, it's going to allow us to get rid of some of that dirt and dander dust, dirt, all that is collected in there. So if we have carpet, we're going to neutralize the carpet with baking soda. Just gently sprinkle it on. We can rub it in with a brush if we want to, let it sit. Make sure you have a couple different air filters on your vacuum it up. We can also use capture carpet cleaning. It's a dry carpet cleaner. Pretty much works as the baking soda does. Great product to help kind of neutralize smells. If we do any kind of Glade, Airwick, all of that sort of thing, I think some of the ones that have natural botanicals smell better. Don't want a complicated scent. Don't want anything that's super floral. Want to make sure that we stay within woods, because remember, we're trying to find that buyer who's going to feel grounded and secured in our home. So jasmine, lavender, any kind of wood, cedar, sandalwood, all that is good. Now, here's the thing for my people. I only want you to have one of these on every level of your home. That is it. We are not overstimulating the nose with a lot of different fragrances. So that's an option too. Be careful, by the way, with these and cats. The other option is essential oils. Now, we can diffuse essential oils. There's a couple different products that are out there. doTERRA I love, and then the Now brand you can find at local grocery stores and Walmart, and that's actually pretty good too. Want you to stay in woods and want you to stay in a very calming smell, such as lavender, and jasmine is another one. So what I do, now you can diffuse it, but if you want to be like me and be a little bit of a rebel, I want only like 1 or 2 dabs in the palm of my hand, and then rub it together. Now I can feel the oil. I can rub a little bit on the door frame as long as it doesn't discolor, so be careful with that. And then I can just kind of spread it around about an hour before the showing. It smells really nice. And of course, you can always diffuse this as well. Do not overstimulate. Do not put too much. Make sure that you wash your hands. And again, be super, super careful with cats in these oils. Anyways, these are great tips for you to be able to take back, to be able to get your home sold. Again, don't be the stinky house on the block. Kristin Joyner, Living Down South Realty. I would love to earn your business. If you have any real estate need in North Georgia or South Carolina, give me a call. We'll talk to you soon.